e morubo ado me bori no na yese ogene chowere omoro maso na rukuri gura gborurubo e dono na mi me uyo no rurubo rego wo broware ijo uyo no na onye say basic communication in Urobo egbeje no we ugbe yawe ronyi Urobo yero wewe dede wonyi Urobo wogun Urobo yeje bakirole o miki yodowena mo come when you see someone and you want the person to come to you, you want to beckon on the person to come. Okatake mo. Oh yeah, but mo. Mo. That is come. Ula tani mo. What's a tani yare? Mo. It means come. But yare. Walk down. You understand? Yare. Walk down, yeah, walk, re, down here, like down here, or come here, walk here, walk down here, you know, there's no, you can't transliterate the Urobo to fit directly into the English, so, but yare, walk down here, like come here, yare, walk down here, come, more 18, come here. Right now, yare 18 walk down here. 18 here. Getting it? So now you have more come. Yare walk down. Yare 18 walk down here. More 18 come here. So can you say that now? Anytime you see anybody, moiti no shayna, moiti na yeme, moiti no nyome, moiti no mome. Baze tani moiti ne. Let us not make it too much. At least today you know that more is come. Moiti ne come here. Yare walk down. Yare tine walk down here. You're getting it? So what I like about Milo now, David, what support to Milo? Once I use a link level, if you don't will support me. The link in a bit.ly/ovuovu. Omlena ovuovu. Wabu kechawo wokewe. Sene misi Urobo miwena eru omenye. Omlena ogne bibie kwa bado.